Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following describes wound healing by primary intention? The correct answer is characterized by minimal tissue loss, clean edges, and rapid epithelialization. Primary intention healing occurs in clean wounds with minimal tissue loss, where the edges are approximated, leading to rapid epithelialization and a fine scar. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. Which phase of wound healing is primarily characterized by collagen synthesis and deposition? The correct answer is proliferative phase. The proliferative phase is characterized by angiogenesis, collagen synthesis by fibroblasts, and granulation tissue formation. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. What is the most common causative organism for surgical site infections, SSIs, in general surgery? SSI? The correct answer is Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus is the most frequently isolated pathogen in surgical site infections, especially in clean surgical wounds. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which of the following factors is most strongly associated with an increased risk of surgical site infection? The correct answer is poor glycemic control in diabetic patients. Poor glycemic control in diabetic patients significantly impairs immune function and wound healing, increasing the risk of infection. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which antiseptic agent is most commonly used for surgical hand scrub due to its persistent antimicrobial activity? The correct answer is chlorhexidine gluconate. Chlorhexidine gluconate provides excellent immediate and persistent antimicrobial activity, making it ideal for surgical hand scrubs. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. What is the primary difference between an antiseptic and a disinfectant? The correct answer is antiseptics are used on living tissue, while disinfectants are used on inanimate objects. Antiseptics are chemical agents applied to living tissues to reduce the risk of infection, whereas disinfectants are applied to inanimate objects. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. Which of the following is a crucial component of preoperative assessment for a patient undergoing major surgery? The correct answer is detailed history and physical examination, including cardiac and respiratory assessment. A thorough preoperative assessment, including a detailed history and physical examination, is essential to identify comorbidities and optimize patient condition for surgery. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. What is the most common cause of fever in the first 24 to 48 hours post-surgery? 24 முதல் 48 வரை. The correct answer is atelectasis. Atelectasis, collapse of lung tissue, is the most common cause of fever in the immediate post-operative period due to shallow breathing and reduced lung expansion. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Which intravenous fluid is considered isotonic and commonly used for initial fluid resuscitation in hypovolemic shock? The correct answer is lactated Ringer's solution. Lactated Ringer's solution is an isotonic crystalloid commonly used for initial fluid resuscitation due to its electrolyte composition similar to plasma. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. A patient exhibiting peripheral edema, crackles on lung auscultation, and elevated central venous pressure is most likely experiencing what fluid imbalance? The correct answer is fluid overload. These signs, edema, crackles, elevated CVP, are classic indicators of fluid overload, often leading to pulmonary congestion and heart failure. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Which Indian state recently received a special assistance loan of 451.63 crore rupees from the central government? 451.63. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand recently received a special assistance loan of 451.63 crore rupees from the central government. Sariyana Badil. 451.63. Question 12. The Telangana government recently sanctioned 227.98 crore rupees for the restoration of 4 lakes to which agency? 227.98. The correct answer is Hyderabad Road Development Corporation Limited, Hydra. The Telangana government sanctioned funds to Hydra for the restoration of 4 lakes. Sariyana Badil, Hydra. Hydra. Question 13. Which state government recently announced the adoption of NCERT textbooks from Class I to X in all state board schools? IX NCERT? The correct answer is Karnataka. The Karnataka government recently adopted NCERT textbooks for classes I to X in all state board schools. Sariyana Badil. IX NCERT. Question 14. Which vitamin is crucial for the synthesis of collagen, a key protein in wound healing? The correct answer is vitamin C. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is essential for the hydroxylation of proline and lysine residues in collagen, which is critical for its stability and strength. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Which type of white blood cell is primarily involved in phagocytosis of cellular debris and pathogens during the inflammatory phase of wound healing? The correct answer is neutrophils. Neutrophils are the first immune cells to arrive at the wound site, where they perform phagocytosis of bacteria and cellular debris. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.